Hello all my fellow shadow crafters. Time for another box opening. Box. And this month is, oh come on, be nice. Dinosaurs. Let's see what we got first. Okay, what is this? Okay, we'll just start with this. 1-to-1 mix, 50 grams each. What else we got here? Oh, yes. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, hold on a sec. I don't know what am I getting. Oh my gosh. Let's keep dinosaur paws. So how many we got? Let's see. Okay, we're supposed to have 9. 3, 6, 9. Wow. I was expecting maybe 5. That's cool. Dinosaur confetti. Let's see. Arandai pigment, tea green. More pigment, coffee. Jump rings. Rose gold plated necklace. Okay, what are you? Color changing UV. Oh, I'm gonna love this. And this is red diamond dust glitter. Dinosaur egg mold. Gotta be bigger. That's okay. That's big enough. Dinosaur rings silicone mold. Is that it? That's not it. Oh, that's these. Ooh, this is, I'm reading that wrong. Oh, there it is. Silicone molds, just regular dinosaurs. Expand one piece. Oh, here's the parts where you, oh my god, is this stuck? Let's check this out. Oh, that's cute. They're so tiny. There's the rings. They're so tiny. And that's to put together a T-Rex fossil. Okay. Put you back there. I still don't know what this is. Doesn't say. It doesn't say. It doesn't say. Okay. Nice little lamp. I'm enjoying the lamp these days, the lights. What are these? Dinosaur resin film. That's cool. I love it. I love it. That's it. Okay, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Send me some coffee once in a while. Have a great day. Namaste.